This is the UGC1006 range of spray gun cleaners. What we have here is the UGC1006CT and also the 1006C. These systems are designed to be wall mounted with drums positioned underneath. Let's take a look at how to set up this machine and how to operate. These machines are designed to be wall mounted with brackets integrated into the tank and the base of the unit, with 4 locating bolts, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom on both the 1006C and 1006CT spray gun cleaner. Mount these systems on the wall. Once it's affixed to the wall, we're then ready to continue the setup of the system. We have a fume extraction for the solvent-based tanks here, which is 3 inch in diameter or 76 mil coming out the top of the solvent-based tank. On the water side, there's no fume extraction, it's just only on the solvent-based system. You'll connect suitable ducting to this, such as spiral ducting, solid ducting, which goes straight over the top of here. You will then vent this off to atmosphere to take the fumes away from the operator. We connect the air to the side of the machine here on the right hand side when you're facing the machine. The air connection should be approximately 5.5 bar or up to 7 bar or 75 psi to 100 psi. Once the air's all connected up, we're then going to position the fluid containers underneath the machine. You can choose the size of fluid container you wish. It can be a 10 litre, 5 litre or 25 litre container. Please make sure that your waste drum is of equal size to the amount of fluid that you are operating with. Here we're setting up with a 25 litre waste drum, which is empty, and a 25 litre liquid drum, which is 50% full currently to run the system. Underneath the machine, you'll find 2 types of hoses, a convoluted hose, which is your drain hose. You'll also find a liquid hose, which is a nylon hose, which goes into your liquid. And then if you've got a twin system, you'll find a second drain hose on the right hand side and a second liquid hose underneath here as well. The setup for the single tank system is exactly the same, except you only have 2 hoses because we have 1 cleaning tank. So for the twin, we'll set up 1 waste drum for the solvent, 1 liquid drum for the solvent, then we'd repeat that process for the water side. Position your drain hose in the waste container, position your fluid hose in the fluid container. Always make sure that this container is a clean container and it is using clean fluid only. The system works on an air venturi, and dirty fluid or dirty containers can pick up the dirt and block the system. Once you've positioned your fluid containers, you can then attach the earthing wire on the side of the machine, connect this to a ground earthing connection. On the front of the machine, you'll see 2 panel mount regulators, the same on the single tank system as well. Pull out to unlock, adjust it clockwise to increase the pressure and anti-clockwise to reduce the pressure. One on the right hand side is your main pressure for the whole system. On the left hand side, this is for the air pressure to the flow of the solvent extraction. So you can increase the air pressure again by clockwise and reduce the air pressure by anti-clockwise. Now let's take a look at how to operate the system and clean your spray gun. On the side of the machine, we have a whip line. It is supplied without the quick release coupling on it. It is blank when you receive the system. Please connect a suitable coupling that matches the air connections you are using. We're ready to clean the spray gun now, and first of all, we're going to remove the paint cup and dispose of any waste paint into a suitable container. Connect the air whip line to the air connection on your spray gun. At the back of the tank, you'll find a stiff nylon brush, which is used for cleaning, but also allowing you to blow through the spray gun and absorb the spray. We adjust that by loosening the wing nut at the back, and it slides up and down on its bracket. Depending on the size spray gun you use, you will put this in the right position so that when you blow through the spray gun, you're blowing into the bristles of the brush to absorb the spray. Once we're ready, we will position the spray gun over the fluid nozzle, the air cap into the brush. We can then simultaneously pull the trigger and turn the rinse system on. You can then use the brush to clean the air cap over the outside and rinse through again if you need to. You can then use the air drying system here, which blows air out. Which allows you to dry the outside and the inside of the spray gun. This system is designed for use with gravity-fed spray guns of all different sizes, shapes and models. Simply the difference between the sizes, all you've got to do is adjust the brush at the back of the tank so that when you're blowing through the spray gun, the gun is pointed into the bristles to absorb the spray. If you'd like any further information regarding the UGC1006 spray gun cleaners, you can visit our website www.unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.